Hello and welcome to Coloring History, and today we are going to draw one of the most well-known famous Mexican artists, Frida Kahlo. She is known for her creative self-portraits. So let's get started. So first we are going to make a large U for her face. Next, we're going to make two curvy lines from one side to the other, like this. Next, we are going to make wavy lines for her hair from one end of this side to the other. Next, we are going to give her some flowers. We're going to make some marigolds, and this is how you make marigolds. First, you make a circle like this, and then we are going to make wavy lines around, or rainbow lines around the circle. And then I'm going to go over and over and over each rainbow. And then I'm going to stop right here. Now I can keep going if I want this to be larger, but this is fine for now. So let's do another one. So first you start with a circle, and then you make rainbow lines around the circle until you get to the other side where you started. And then you make another rainbow around the rows of the first rainbows. And you can stop right there. Let's do another one. So first you make a circle, and then you start right here and you make rainbow lines around the circle from one end to the other. When you get to the end, then you keep going around. And you can stop when you feel you have the right size. I'm going to stop right here. And so I gave her 3 marigolds. Next, we are going to give her ears. Right here, we are going to make a backward C for the ear on one side and a regular C on the other side. Next, we are going to give her 2 curved lines for her eyes, and they are going to be closed. So one line here and one line here. Next, we are going to give her eyelashes. For each eye. Next, we are going to give her her famous unibrow by making 2 wavy lines like this. Next, we are going to make her nose by making a L like this. Next, we are going to give her her lips by making 2 wavy lines like this. And then we are going to connect the 2 wavy lines together. Then we are going to make a line from here to here. Watch. That's going to curve into her lips and out like that. So we are done with her face. So now let's make her neck by giving her 2 vertical lines like this. Next, we are going to make her blouse or part of her clothing. So what we're going to do is we are going to go on the outside like this until we get to the end of the paper. And then we are going to do the other side like this. So now we are going to give her we're going to make a pendant for her. So a pendant is pretty much a decorative necklace. So we are going to make 2 diagonal lines like this. And then we are going to make a large circle. This is part of her necklace. Then we are going to make 4 lines like this going down. And then for each line, we're going to make a circle. Next, from right here by the bottom of her neck, we are going to make another curved line on the outside like this. And then we are going to do the other side. So we are done drawing Frida Kahlo. The next stage is to color. As you can see, these are the colors that I use. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe.